Get ready for some wow with Mike in Motion. I am out and about in the community, and today I am at Be Healthy Medical Weight Loss and Energy, and I'm here with Beth Crandall, our show's nutritionist. Thanks for inviting us here today.
Yes, our pleasure.
Yes,
Glad you're here.
Lights, camera, and wellness today.
Wonderful. Yes, I love it. I love it.
I love it. What are we talking about today?
So I wanted to bring you here today to introduce some new supplements that we're carrying here at Be Healthy. A lot of the talk right now is all about peptides, and we have a great new one in, and just also share with you two other new things that we have.
Okay, awesome.
So we have a new peptide that we're offering called glutathione.
Glutathione. We said it. We got it. Glutathione.
Glutathione. And that one is a peptide that helps with skin glow. It also can help with fat loss as well.
Okay, okay, great. Yes, it helps support energy and recovery, immune health, skin brightness and glow, detoxification support, and overall wellness.
Yes.
Yes, love it. We all like to glow, especially on camera.
Yes, of course.
Yes. Let's talk about glycine and how that matters, and tirzepatide.
Sure. So the glycine is a new amino acid in our tirzepatide. So tirzepatide is a GLP-1, and a lot of patients can experience muscle loss, like muscle mass loss, when they're taking a GLP-1.
Sure.
So we now have glycine in our injections, and that actually helps with the it prevents muscle loss. So it's a great new additive to our weight loss injections.
Okay, yeah, you're talking to me a lot on the show about supplements and things like that aid in some of these procedures and things that we do.
That is correct, yes.
Collagen.
Collagen is one of our new supplements as well. So that, of course, is popular already, but we just got a new formula in for it. It's only $55. It helps with joint and bone health. It helps with skin and hair and nails as well.
Oh, that's important.
Yeah.
That's important.
And
men and women.
Powder you can add it into your coffee or protein shake and drink it.
Nice. That's fantastic. Nutrition specials at Be Healthy. You have personalized guidance. I mean, I've been now a year again, and it's a lifestyle that I have. I mean, I'm down 20 pounds and I've kept that off. A lot of people say, oh, you lose the weight and then it picks back up. As long as you're in a certain lifestyle, and you gotta put in the time.
That's correct.
You know, and the energy.
And the work.
And the work. You got to put in the work to see the results. And I've seen the results for a year now.
Good,
it's just been great. So that's what you offer here, the specialized training and keeping me on track. Counseling, absolutely.
Accountability. So with the nutrition counseling, the special that we have right now is called the Be Balanced Method, featuring Beth. I'm just kidding.
You're the great,
basically, that is a special that we're doing to really encourage nutrition, more nutrition counseling, accountability, because a lot of times what we find is people will come in to do, their medications, and they're not incorporating exercising and nutrition with it. Even though we encourage it, still people have to be held accountable for what they're doing.
Yes, so I need to do a little more exercising, and I know that, so that's on me. I need to, because I can't take you home with me.
I know.
If I could, I'd be even a little more trimmer. But because that's the thing. Sometimes when you have the weight loss, then you have some issues that you need to maintain.
That's correct.
So that does help.
Yep.
Yes.
And usually when you have someone who is holding you accountable, you tend to have a better weight loss
yes,
percentage.
Absolutely. Sometimes it's good to have a teammate, a friend to go through this with you as well. But you ladies here are my friends.
Yes.
And so when you come in the door here to do your procedure, whatever you need, and again, I get a Skinny B shot and the B12.
That's correct.
That's what I get.
And one of the packages that we do have right now with the Be Balanced Method, you get 4 of those, 4 skinny shots, 4 of the B12s, and then you get nutrition counseling once a week with me. So that's a great new package that we're offering.
That's amazing. This personalized service, I mean, you're not going to find elsewhere. And again, I have proven that it works.
You're right.
It's really, really great. Yeah, soon on the show, we need to show, the next time you're on the show in the studio, we need to show some before and afters, because I look at the before and I'm like, oh my gosh, just amazing. Another thing I like here at Be Healthy is all these great products and things that you have. And we've had these on the show before, some of these supplements that you offer.
You're right.
The
yes,
B12.
we have the
yes,
B12,
the stress support.
The stress support, it's one of my favorites. There's the Omegas, Berberine is great. One of our most popular sellers is the Super Aloe Cleanse. This one, because when you're on a GLP-1 or any type of medicine, you can get a little dysregulated in
Okay.
your gut. So this one is very gentle. It's one of our best sellers here.
Super aloe.
Super
I love
aloe.
this. Some of these food products you have here, I have in my pantry. I love them. Just really, really great. Low carb, just really, really great.
We do have some new bar flavors, some new
Ooh.
shakes. This one's great. It's a s'mores.
Dark
It's
chocolate s'more. Okay,
This
I-
is one of our best sellers right now. It's fabulous. It has 15 grams of protein. It's great for like an afternoon snack or meal replacement. Helps with the sweet cravings.
Yes, I love, love, love that. Yes, and then you have some of these guys as well.
Yeah. So this is one of our shakes. Basically, what I recommend, typically it has all your micronutrients in it, your protein. I always talk about protein. You add either water or you can add unsweetened almond milk, shake it up, and drink it, and you got your protein.
And good to go. Yeah, and that's something you could do and take in the car. I mean, you don't have to just stop what you're doing and focus
Exactly.
on this. Sometimes you can do it on the go, which is really, really great.
That's correct.
Yeah. Well, thank you for having us in here today. What else can you tell us about Be Healthy? You're on Washington Road here.
Yep.
Easy to get to, easy in and out. You know, sometimes Washington Road can be a bear, but you've got a light right here at the corner.
We do,
It's easy
yes.
in and out. Your staff here is just amazing. You have the new owner.
We do. Ashley's new and she's doing a great job. We have also been here for 15 years, so we consider ourselves the experts in weight loss.
Yes. Well, you certainly have been with me. I've loved the partnership and what you've done for me. I mean, I definitely have more confidence. I love to wear clothes that I haven't been able to wear for 3, 4, 5 years, but maybe even longer.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm wearing clothes that I bought, 15, 10 years ago, but
That's awesome.
which is great because I
It's
try
like
not
you have all new clothes again.
I do. I'm glad I kept them. I need to throw
Yeah.
out all of the heavy clothes, I guess. But yeah, and again, I don't try to count the number so much as I just feel better. My belt, I'm in the last hole where I used to be in the first. So things like that are just important to me.
That's awesome.
Beth, thank you for always being here with
You're
us.
welcome.
Yeah,
Thank you
check
for
out
having
Be Healthy Medical Weight Loss and Energy. We will be right back.